How to treat dandruff at home, new dandruff medical and home remedies. The hallmark symptoms of this condition include itchy scalp and flakiness, but it could also result in greasy patches on your scalp or tingling in your fingers. Dandruff may result from dry skin, seborrheic dermatitis, sensitivity to hair care products, and growth of a type of fungus on the scalp. The use of natural remedies can be just as effective in treating dandruff as over-the-counter treatments. 1. Tea tree oil. A variety of ailments have been treated with tea tree oil historically, including acne and psoriasis. Furthermore, it has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce dandruff symptoms. According to one review, tea tree oil can effectively control both seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff caused by a specific strain of fungus. Another study examined the effects of tea tree oil on dandruff by administering a shampoo containing either 5% tea tree oil or a placebo daily for 4 weeks. At the end of the study, tea tree oil reduced itchiness and greasiness by 41%. 2. Vinegar. Moreover, vinegar helps treat itchy, dry skin and kill bacteria and fungi that cause dandruff. Acidic vinegar is incredibly effective in reducing flakiness. About half an hour before a head wash, I apply a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water to the scalp skin. 3. Neem. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of neem extract are well known, which is why it is used in almost all skin medications. Dandruff is mainly caused by the colonization of fungi on the scalp, making it the ideal solution to treat skin ailments. Natural is always the best option. 4. Garlic. Some may dislike the pungent smell of garlic, but the medicinal benefits of it are undeniable. The benefits of raw or crushed garlic are enormous as an antifungal natural product, and raw or crushed garlic is best for treating medical conditions. Do not consume cooked garlic. Garlic can be quickly applied to your scalp once it has been pounded and mixed with water. Is it smelly? Honey and ginger can always be mixed in. 5. Baking soda. In addition to exfoliating the scalp, baking soda removes dead skin without irritating it. To prevent dandruff from becoming even more noticeable, exfoliation is essential. Additionally, baking soda exfoliates the scalp and has antifungal properties that soothe itching and inflammation. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not only cooling, but it also has mild exfoliating properties, as well as being antifungal and antibacterial. Aloe vera has a thick consistency and is transparent, so it's best to extract it directly from the plant. An anti-dandruff shampoo or medicated anti-dandruff cream can then be used to wash it off. Herbal medicine is also recommended for soothing an irritated scalp and reducing inflammation. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is well known for its multiple health benefits. It is also a popular natural remedy for dandruff. Dandruff can be worsened by dry skin and coconut oil may help. Coconut oil was as effective at improving skin hydration as mineral oil in a small study. Earlier studies have suggested coconut oil can treat eczema, which is linked to dandruff. Researchers compared the effects of coconut oil and mineral oil on atopic dermatitis, a form of eczema characterized by itching and inflammation. Coconut oil reduces symptoms by 68%, whereas mineral oil reduces symptoms by 38%. The compounds found in coconut oil seem to have antimicrobial properties in some lab studies, although not on the particular fungus responsible for dandruff. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.